here at Hall's Harley-Davidson. Would love to invite you out to show you our 2017 models and all of our pre-owned bikes we have out here at the dealership.
I'm Rachel Banning, Sales Associate here at Hall's Harley-Davidson. We're super excited to introduce to you the new Milwaukee 8 engine in the 17 touring lineup. We have new suspension, both front and back. We have quicker acceleration, we have more power and more comfort. So come out and feel it for yourself and experience the difference. I'd be happy to help you.
I'm Lois, member of the sales team here at Hall's Harley-Davidson. I'd like to invite you out to check out our huge selection of pre-owned motorcycles.
If you decide to purchase a motorcycle from now until March, you'll receive free winter storage. So stop out and see us now at Hall's Harley-Davidson.